It's a challenge we didn't take lightly. How can you extend and expand the capabilities of some of the world's most elite air power systems? By multiplying their capabilities and exponentially increasing their ability to project force as a result. The Boeing MQ-28 is a new uncrewed aircraft using artificial intelligence to be that force multiplier. It's designed to work as a smart team with existing military aircraft to complement and extend airborne missions. The MQ-28 has enough capability to get the job done, from ISR to tactical early warning and more, but with a low-cost design that allows operators to confidently put it on the front line. That's air power reimagined. The Boeing MQ-28 will provide a disruptive advantage for Allied forces' crewed and uncrewed missions. It will provide fighter-like performance, measuring 38 feet long, 11.7 meters, and able to fly more than 2,000 nautical miles. Integrate sensor packages on board to support intelligence, surveillance and reconnaissance, tactical early warning missions, and more. Use artificial intelligence to fly independently or in support of crewed aircraft while maintaining safe distance between other aircraft. Designed to provide a transformational capability for global defense customers, it is the company's largest investment in a new uncrewed aircraft program outside the United States. This purpose-built aircraft can be missionized to suit country-specific needs. This newest addition to Boeing's defense portfolio will be a force multiplier for global customers. The Boeing team in Australia has developed a completely new uncrewed production-ready system with the inclusion of Australian suppliers. Boeing has invested in a purpose-built system that leverages advanced manufacturing and digital production capabilities. The program uses Boeing's global R&D expertise, as well as a strong industry team of agile global suppliers, with the ability to support national prosperity and sovereignty objectives.